Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by connecting the cable to both devices. Use the phone's original or a certified cable to avoid data-only limits. Once connected, unlock the phone and watch for the USB notification. Tap it and choose File Transfer or MTP so the computer can see your storage. Make sure the PC shows drivers installing. If not, open Device Manager or System Preferences to confirm connection. This early step ensures the operating systems can communicate and prevents permission blocks later. With the phone visible on your PC, open File Explorer or Finder and navigate to internal storage or DSIM. You can drag and drop photos and folders, or select items and use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy. This method preserves timestamps and reduces errors. If you transfer many files, move them in batches to avoid timeouts or corrupted transfers. For large media, prefer wired transfer over wireless for speed. Also, keep the phone unlocked and the screen on while copying so transfers won't pause. After copying, always eject or unmount the phone from the PC to ensure all writes finish. On Windows, use Safely Remove Hardware. On Mac, eject the device. If the phone disappears or isn't recognized, switch USB ports or try a different cable, and make sure USB mode is still set to file transfer. Enabling USB debugging can help with driver issues. If problems persist, restart both devices and check available storage. A quick reboot often clears locked files and completes stalled transfers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.